Thomas Anderson?
Yeah, that's me.
Have a nice day.
Hello?
Hello? Neo, do you know who this is?
Mum?
Yes, I've been looking for you. I don't know if you're ready to see what I have to show you, but unfortunately we've run out of time. They're coming for you, sweetie, and I don't know what they're going to do.
Wait, who's coming for me?
Look out the door and see for yourself.
What, now?
Yes, now. Do it slowly.
Oh shit. What the hell do they want?
I don't know, but if you don't want to find out, I suggest you get out of there.
How?
I can guide you, but you must do exactly as I say.
Okay, fine.
The other door, to your left, goes to another hallway. It's empty.
But what if they...
Go now! Be quiet. Stay here for just a moment. When I tell you, go to the staircase at the end of the hall. Be as quiet as possible. Go now. Good. Now up the stairs is a door out of the building.
But how do you know any of this?
I'm your mother, don't argue with me. Now, go up the stairs.
But I hate stairs.
There's no time.
Fine. What now?
Well, you go outside, sweetie.
No way.
What now?
It's so cold.
What?
It's so cold. My jacket's downstairs. My phone too. I'm not going
You
out.
listen to me. There are two ways out of this building. One is going out in the cold right now, with no coat and no phone. The other is their custody. The choice is yours.
Whatever, Mum.